We spend billions of dollars searching the universe for alien life, scanning distant planets, listening for signals, sending probes into deep space. But what if we have been looking in the wrong direction? What if the aliens are not out there? What if they are here? What if that is us? Let's start with something that scientists actually debate seriously. The theory is called panspermia. It proposes that life did not originate on Earth, but arrived here from somewhere else in space, carried on asteroids, comets, or interstellar dust. The idea is not new. The Greek philosopher Anaxagoras proposed it over 2,500 years ago. He called the idea panspermia, meaning seeds everywhere. For most of history, it was considered too wild to take seriously. Then science started finding things that changed that completely. In 1969, a meteorite landed in Murchison, Australia. Inside it, scientists found over 90 different amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are the building blocks of all life on Earth. They were found inside a rock that had been traveling through space for billions of years. This was not a coincidence. Over 50 meteorites have now been found containing organic molecules, the chemistry of life, from outer space. In 2019, scientists found ribose in meteorites for the first time. Ribose is the sugar that forms the backbone of RNA. And RNA is one of the two molecules that carries the genetic code of every living thing on Earth. The ingredients of life are not unique to Earth. They are scattered across the cosmos. Now here is where the theory gets even more interesting. Life on Earth appeared extraordinarily fast, almost as soon as the conditions allowed it. Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. Life appeared on Earth as early as 4.28 billion years ago. That is only around 200 million years after Earth formed, which is extraordinarily fast for chemistry to spontaneously produce life from nothing. Some scientists argue this suggests life did not originate here from scratch, but arrived already started. Now let's talk about something even stranger. Because humans are oddly poorly designed for Earth. Our skin burns in the sun. Almost every other animal on Earth spends hours in direct sunlight without any problem. We are one of the only species on Earth that chronically requires sunscreen to survive our own planet's sun. Our backs ache. Our knees fail. Our spines are poorly designed for walking upright. Most animals evolved for their environment over millions of years. Humans look like we are still in the process. We have an extraordinarily high rate of genetic disease compared to most animals. Our babies are born completely helpless, the most underdeveloped newborns of any primate. Our gestation period is 9 months, but human babies still need years of external care before they can function independently. We are intensely curious about the stars. We look up at the night sky and feel something. Not just awe, something closer to recognition, something that feels almost like longing. No other animal on Earth does this. Only us. Now let's talk about what science has actually confirmed, separate from the theory. In 2019, Japanese scientists sent bacteria into the stratosphere. Some survived, in near-space conditions, for extended periods. In 2020, bacteria were placed outside the International Space Station. They survived for 3 years in the vacuum of space. Life is extraordinarily resilient, far more resilient than we ever imagined. And in 2023, scientists confirmed that the building blocks of DNA were present on the Ryugu asteroid, collected by the Japanese Hayabusa 2 mission. DNA building blocks on an asteroid, floating in space. Now let's talk about directed panspermia, because this is where the theory takes its most extraordinary turn. Francis Crick, one of the co-discoverers of the DNA double helix, proposed in 1973 that life on Earth may have been deliberately seeded by an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization. Not by accident, deliberately. Crick argued that the genetic code is so extraordinarily complex and appeared so quickly on Earth that random chance alone seemed insufficient. He suggested an advanced civilization, facing the extinction of their own world, may have sent the seeds of life toward promising planets across the galaxy. And one of those seeds, on one of those planets, became us. This is speculative. There is no direct evidence for it, but it is not dismissible either. It is a hypothesis that serious scientists continue to debate. Now here is what mainstream science does say with confidence. The ingredients of life are not special to Earth. They are universal. Life can survive in space, proven by multiple experiments. The building blocks of DNA have been found on asteroids. Life appeared on Earth almost immediately after conditions allowed, faster than random chemistry alone would suggest. And humans have a deep and unexplained compulsion to look at the stars. None of this proves we are aliens, but it raises a question that science cannot yet fully answer. Where exactly did life come from? Did it start here, on this specific rock? Or did it start somewhere else and arrive here as a passenger on something much older than Earth itself? We search the universe for alien life, building telescopes, sending probes, scanning frequencies, because something deep in us believes it is out there. But what if the most extraordinary life in the universe is already here?